Hi, I'm Josh Rappaport, creator of the Algebra Survival Program. People often ask about the relationship between the two key components, the Algebra Survival Guide and the Algebra Survival Workbook. Essentially, the guide presents instruction and the workbook provides practice and quizzes. To more fully understand the instruction component, let's take a look at the Algebra Survival Guide's different types of pages. First up, bare bones pages, which give you just that. Bare bones info you'll want to memorize cold, like the info here on multiplying exponential terms. Step-by-step pages reveal the steps for performing algebraic operations, as you see here. Note how the steps are translated into friendly, untextbooky English right next to the math steps. The descriptions in English explain the math. That lets students learn and memorize the process one careful step at a time. Feeling a hunger to understand things deeply? Time for a Mind Munchies page. Each Mind Munchies page gives students thoughts to chew on to make sense of algebra's complexities. This Mind Munchies page, for example, explains how to simplify those seemingly crazy negative exponents. Ever made a mistake? If so, you'll be interested in the pitfall pages. These point out common mistakes and, more importantly, show students how to avoid making them. The guide's pages also contain quick check practice problems at the bottom of most pages. These brief problem sets give students immediate feedback on how well they understand what they've just learned. And for a more comprehensive review at the end of each section, the guide presents target practice pages. Like chapter tests in textbooks, the target practice pages help students see if their understanding is on target, and if not, shows them which concepts they need to relearn. Speaking of practice problems, that is the entire focus of the Algebra Survival Workbook. The workbook's pages contain more than 1,000 problems, conveniently displayed in focused problem sets. Each problem set states the page number in the guide of the lesson that teaches how to do the problems. That way, any student who's stuck can quickly relearn the concept and thus continue making progress. Each problem set also has a percentage box for quick scoring. This way, teachers can use the workbook's problem sets as mini quizzes to ensure that their students stay on track. All in all, the Algebra Survival Program provides a comprehensive package for learning algebra. Learn from the guide, practice in the workbook, and with this powerful and friendly combination, finally master the subject of algebra.